Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be featuring Campark DC40. It's a dash cam and it's a very compact, but why you need a dash cam, right? So it can be your third eye, it can gather important evidence, and it can add additional security to your car. And here's a live example. If there was no dash cam, no one would have believed this accident. And getting a dash cam is very important and much needed. It adds peace of mind. It's a great anti-theft device and it's perfect for gift if you wanted to gift someone. So let's unbox this. So this is very compact. The model is Campark DC40 and it has 4K and 1080p resolution, and this one has a front camera, a cabin camera, and a backside camera. So let's open the box. So here is the camera that you can see. It's so compact and it's so delicate, but it is very well built. So this is the screen. It's 2.4-inch screen and it has beautiful design, very compact. And this is the front camera. It has 170-degree viewing angle, so it is very wide, and it is 4K resolution. And there is a SD card slot which can hold up to 256 gigabyte of memory card. And this is the cabin camera at 120-degree viewing angle and at 1080p resolution, and with a movable lens so you can adjust the viewing. It also has very easy to manage buttons like menu, and it also has a voice recording which you can turn on or off. And on the side there is a reset switch in case if you want to reset or format the camera. And here are the cable connection. This is the power cable and this is the camera that is coming from the back. So it's very tiny but very powerful tool that you wanted to add to your car. Now let's check the other accessories. They have included this crowbar and the clips so that you can easily install the wire and put it in the place. And there are some other accessories as well. This is the manual that will answer all your questions. And here is the suction cup holder. This is very strong and it will sustain any weather conditions, either extreme hot or extreme cold. And this just snaps into the place for an easy assembly. So that's how easy it is. And this is 360-degree rotation, so you can put it at any angle that you like. And this is the charger and the cable. It is long enough to power your camera. And this is the rear camera and the cable. At 15 feet long, it will cover a full-size SUV very easily. So the rear camera also, it rotates 360, so you can easily mount depending how the space is under the trunk. And they have included the 3M tape, and it's very sturdy, very strong, very well built, and the installation is very easy. Now let's check the footage. So this is the footage that is from the dash cam, and this is how it looks in your car. And again the footage from the dash cam, very clear, very wide angle, and it you can see everything very clear. So this concludes our review. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope this is useful to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.